Hi guys and welcome to another PPOM video. In this video we'll see the features of PPOM Builder add-on, PPOM Product Builder add-on actually. This add-on allow your customer to build the product or personalize the product visually as per his need and according to the template provided by the admin. So here in this scenario, we have a client who has the makeup items. So he wants to sell some brushes and he want to allow customer to select between the black and white two colors, and then the customer also can add some personalized text if he wants for the extra charges. So let's see how we can do it with our PPOM product add-on. So first of all, we need to create the template or you can say the product builder for this. So here you can see inside, or here you can see the product builder. So first of all, we will add our builder for the black template, like black brush, and you can upload as the main image, or you can set the canvas and then upload your items if you have multiple, or the composite template. So in our example we have simple one brush, and let me upload this. So this is the black one, and here this is uploaded, and here if I want to add some personalization. So because I have the raw template, so this I cannot get rid of this because I copy this template from the client side. So of course you should have your own template without this merge text in on the image. So anyways, I will put the text here. So and I just set it your name here. Okay, and I can set its settings like font and size and everything according to your design. Okay, so this is the first template, and I must link it with the PPOM input. So let's say I set a text ID with B text. Okay, this is the data name we will create in the next step shortly, and just publish it. Okay, and you just remember the ID of this template is 4991. Okay, let me copy this here. Okay, now I go back to again the templates and add another template for the white brush, and similarly upload the white one and repeat the same steps, and here, and oops, okay, and again I will set the same text for uh, same data name for the text because we only be needing one field at a time. So even you can attach different fields as per your need. And again, let me save this. Okay, and copy its ID again. Okay, now we have done with the product builder. Now we go to our PPOM WooCommerce fields and create a new meta group. And here my brushes, and here I will select first of all the image type input like select color, and I will add these two images as the color variations. Okay, and add field, and once you save, and again when you open this you should see this builder ID, right? And for the white we have to add the ID of white builder, and for the black we add the builder ID for the black template and update this. Okay, and now save this, and let me show you. First of all, let's go to the product and choose your product. So here I have already many products, so I will select this product. My brushes attach, apply this, and okay, it is attached. And if I see this, so you can see I have two temp images colors are loaded. So now we also need to add product builders. So here inside the input palettes you have to see the product. Here it is. Okay, so you just name any, like just set black brush and select the template you created, which is of course here. And for the white one, white brush, and here. Okay, let me refresh the front end. Okay, you see by default the black is loaded, and here you can see the template is being connected with the variation. And you can also actually, because the product size is too big, let me select the relevant product size so you can see the bigger image here, because the theme has divided into a way, in a way that it has less space here, but you can manage in your theme. And or even you can set the position of this, replace this position with this area. If you go to PPOM main settings and then you go to add-ons, product builder, and where to show builder preview, just select product main image and save it. And let me show you. So here you can see the main image is replaced with the builder template. So here you can see our add-on or our template is being loaded. Now it is time to show or connect this part, like add personalization. So for this we need to add a checkbox like add personalization. Okay, and option yes, and yes, $5 for extra. And then we add the text area and add text, and its name should be the same as we set in the first step while we are setting building the template, which is I think B text, right? So, and yes, we also need to connect it conditionally. It show only when the checkbox is enabled or yes. So here, let me show you. Okay, perfect. Here you can see. Okay, you can see the because the color is same. Let me show you here. Here you can see Mrs. Majak, right? So here you can see your template, any kind of template you can attach in a similar way. So we have a specific request from our clients. So I thought why not create a video for the other users. So if you like this feature, you can just go over najibmedia.com/ppom and dash add-ons, ppom add-ons, and you can get this add-on on from this page, and here it will be available in couple of days, and because it is our new add-on, and you can see how beautiful add-ons, more than 25 add-ons we have built to personalize your WooCommerce store. I hope you like our video. Thanks and bye bye.